Are you new to Canada and feeling lost in its banking maze? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Welcome to the world of Canadian banking, where understanding the basics can be your first step towards financial stability. Let's dive right in and start with opening a bank account. It's simpler than it sounds. You'll need two pieces of identification, one of which must have a photo. This could be your passport, driving license, or Canadian permanent resident card. Once you've gathered your identification, visit a bank of your choice and they will guide you through the process. Having a bank account is the starting point for managing your money in Canada. Next up, let's talk about credit scores. In Canada, a credit score is a three-digit number that represents your financial reliability. It's like a financial report card. The higher your score, the more trustworthy you are to lenders. Credit scores range from 300 to 900, with a score of 700 or more considered excellent. To build a good credit score, pay your bills on time, avoid maxing out your credit cards, and be patient. It takes time to build a good credit history. Now, let's move on to budgeting. Budgeting is the art of managing your money. And it's an essential skill for financial stability. It's all about balancing your income with your expenses. Start by tracking your income. Then list your fixed expenses like rent and utilities. Don't forget to account for variable expenses like groceries and entertainment. Subtract your expenses from your income to see where you stand. If you're spending more than you're earning, it's time to make some changes. Remember, a budget isn't restrictive, it's empowering. It gives you control over your money. Master these basics, and you're on your way to financial stability in your new home. Stay tuned for the next scene where we'll help you avoid common financial pitfalls that newcomers often encounter. Beware the traps. Not everyone has your best interest at heart. In the realm of finance, there are many pitfalls waiting to ensnare the unwary. One such trap is the undisclosed terms and conditions on financial products like credit cards, lines of credit, and insurance. These wolves in sheep's clothing can seem attractive at first glance, but what lies beneath the surface might be a labyrinth of fees and penalties that only serve to line the pockets of the financial institutions. Another common pitfall is the unsolicited addition of insurance to your agreements. This can happen without your knowledge or consent, leaving you paying for a service you didn't ask for, and may not even need. But fear not, there is a way to safeguard yourself from these traps. Ask questions, demand clarity. Understand every term and condition before you sign on the dotted line. Remember, vigilance is key. Always verify your agreements. Should you get that car loan from a bank or a dealer? Let's weigh your options. When it comes to loans and financial products, the landscape can seem like a maze, but don't fret. It's all about making informed decisions. Loans come in all shapes and sizes, each with its own set of benefits and drawbacks. A bank might offer you a lower interest rate, but a dealer could give you more flexible payment options. It's crucial to weigh these factors before making a decision. Similarly, other financial products like mortgages, credit cards, or investment plans can be just as complex. Each product has its own terms and conditions, some more favorable than others. Don't rush. Take your time to compare and contrast. Read the fine print, ask questions, and don't be afraid to seek advice, especially from community members who've walked this path before you. Your best defense against being taken advantage of is thorough research and seeking advice. Knowledge is power, and it's your ticket to navigating the Canadian banking system like a pro. Just as a seasoned explorer wouldn't venture into unknown territory without a map, you too need a guide to make your way through the financial landscape. In the pursuit of this knowledge, do not underestimate the power of questions. They are your compass, leading you to the heart of understanding. Don't hesitate to ask even the simplest of queries. Remember, no question is too small when it comes to your financial well-being. Conducting research is another powerful tool. Dig into the details, compare options, and always look for the best fit for your unique needs. Lastly, connect with others. Reach out to those who've walked this path before you. Their experiences, insights, and advice are invaluable and can save you from potential pitfalls. With these tools in hand, you're ready to make your financial journey in Canada a successful one. Welcome to your new beginning.